Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, you can build a building till you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders. Like moving boulders just to get out of the hardest zones. I've had enough, I don't wanna feel stuck. Under the rug, all my problems that I shun. I got nightmares in my head, I fear, and the thoughts build up I got nightmares in my head, I fear, that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind we finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck. Can't stop.
Well, that sucks. Well, that ain't good. Mother fricker. Well, even though I am dealing with water getting in the e-box and all that kind of fun junk, I have installed another bilge pump. Get all that hooked up. I gotta get the hose. I got another one-way valve. I think this has got some cracks in it and all that. I don't know if you can kind of see it right there. There's stress cracks in it. Kind of like right in this area. There's a few all over it. So I'm going to replace this with a different one and get a different cap. Put all that back together. Get the cover. I'm gonna have to trim some of this cover on this side the way I did this one so that both bilge pumps will fit under it. All right, it's time for these. Let's go ahead and clean it up and start putting these on there. I want to give a massive shout out to TC Graphics. Travis has been freaking amazing working with me. He popped this thing out, designed it, customized it and everything, did the colors I wanted, everything, and done it really fast. I know he felt like he didn't get it out fast enough for me because I know he was dealing with a lot of snowmobile stuff going on, and I know his life's busy and all that up there, but freaking love this thing. And I know I keep saying freaking, no pun intended with the freak, but this thing looks, I mean, just wicked. I mean, it looks so damn good. So big shout out to him. Y'all go check him out. I'll link all of his stuff in the description for his graphics company and all that. Him and Chelsea will get you hooked up. And just tell him I gave you a little shout to head that way. But they are top tier, really cool, and worked with me. And I know I wasn't the easiest to deal with, but yeah, I am so damn pumped. And it's like, I'm still not able to pick up exactly how well this looks in person, but you get little glimpses of it and everything, but it looks freaking awesome. So big shout out to them. We'll get this stuff stuck back in here. Probably go rip it some tomorrow. Double check, last check on everything before we head out to wave days, but heck yeah. And they do all kinds of stuff, dirt bikes, snowmobiles, ATVs, jet skis, all kinds of stuff. Anything you want some graphics for, they'll hook you up. So go check them out, and that's all I got. So we'll get this thing in the water. Another beautiful test day out here. As long as the rain stays away. We'll make sure these graphics can stay on the ski. Okay, well, I just fired mine up. These goops have already been out here for a while. Hamilton is trying to break in a new motor, so he can't really get on it. I've obviously got my forged piston, so I can't really get on it just yet. What do you all think about the new graphics on here? They're leaving me! Just a bunch of putters. All we can do is putt around right now. Oh, Lord. Hey! Getting in a little bit. Ain't nothing there. I gotta get out my foothold. Got a man down. Holy cow. That's appalling. Oh, it's disgusting. Is you cold?
I'm giving you wetsuit.
Oh, it's the first time I see it out riding. Oh yeah, this already hits harder than it did before last time I rode it. Oh yeah. This thing wants to go up, like literally. These rocker flashes, they're so cool. All they want to do is go straight up. Sweet.